Okay, it's a quick, simple project from stepdist.com. It's Angular. You have options of doing any language or framework you're looking for. So we're gonna do Angular for the template, basic template. So you just select your Angular app from starting a new project. This is what the original looks like. Then we have here a style. Basically, it's responsible for the image in the background. Otherwise, the app is the same as it was. And then we have zone.js. So this is responsible, importing zone. It's responsible for the asynchronous tasks. Basically, these include like timers and events, basically. So that's what this is responsible for managing. That's why we have it imported there. And then we have component, right? Component, most important, basically part of this. It's a decorator, right? So to transform a regular TypeScript class, which is app in this case, it transforms it to an Angular component. So this is the use of the add component there, basically decorator. So we import it to use it below, and then next we have the CommonModule. So the CommonModule having basically a couple of directives that include ngIf and ng-for. So if you didn't have a standalone as true, you wouldn't have to import this and use it below in imports, right? So that's what that is responsible from Angular common. And then the bootstrap application. So then this bootstrapping refers to the process of loading the root module of application and initializing the component tree associated with it. So we see it's the small code below where you're going to use it to attach the class that you have to pass it through it basically. And then that over there, the add component is basically a decorator that is imported above from Angular.com, right? Important one basically for transformation, as I said. And then inside it we have the selector. So a selector is just to give a tag. You could name it anything. That is the default name to use this as an HTML element, to use this component as an HTML element, right? Then the next thing you have like standalone is true. So standalone is true. It helps as a standalone component. Basically, you can use it anywhere. It's a big topic, but it's the future, I believe, of having standalone components that you can use at any point without having to use ng module. Then you have the CommonModule, which was imported above. Now it's imported into the class basically to be used into, with the class, right? And then below it you have the template. So a template, you could have a template as an HTML outside, but now we have it inline. Below is the style of it, but this is the HTML tag that you have. If you had another selector name, another component, you'd be able to use it in here as well, right? But you'd have to import it inside the imports. Okay. Then we have the class itself with Angular name. So this name is the one that is used in the hello from, right? It converts just that. It is passed to the HTML, but this is the class itself that you decorate. And then you take the class, you pass it to bootstrap application to run in root, and then that's the entire process of this right here, of this app, mini app. So only thing different is the image. Okay, the image is from this artist Monstera. You can support.